And I'm Vaishnavi.
And in this episode of Quick Creations, we're going to show you how you can make these tasty fried cheese sticks at home.
In this episode, we've also added a new element in which we'll show you how much you can save if you make this recipe at home versus how much it will cost you if you eat out at a restaurant. So do stay till the end to know how this recipe will not pinch your pockets.
If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, do hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family, and let's get quick creating. So to start off with, we're going to take a big block of cheese. We have used Amul's cheese here, and we have not made use of the mozzarella cheese because it is not easily available in the grocery store. You will find Amul's cheese easily available in any grocery store near you. There are different brands available, Britannia, Go Cheese. We have used Amul here. Now you're going to cut the cheese block with a sharp knife into small sticks like so. 300 grams of cheese block would give you about 17 sticks. Now take about 7 to 8 breads, and now we're going to put them in a grinder and grind them to make some breadcrumbs. We have made use of brown bread here for that brown texture. You can also use white bread. For that crispy texture in the breadcrumbs, you can heat the breadcrumbs in the microwave or oven, or you can also heat them up in the kadhai and then cool them off. This is the texture that we're looking at. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oregano as seasoning and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix all of them well. Now in a big mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs. For a little more flavor, we have also used garlic butter, about 1/4 cup, some salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Now mix all these ingredients well using a fork. And now it's time for our dry ingredients. We're going to use about 1/3 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour, and to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix all the ingredients well using a spoon. And now bring all those ingredients to our coating station. Now we're going to coat all of our cheese sticks with our egg mixture. Then we're going to put all of those cheese sticks in the flour mixture. Now remember, in this step your hands might get a little messy, but it's going to be worth the effort. Dust off the excess flour and put them back in the egg mixture. Coat them well, and finally we're going to coat them with our breadcrumbs. Make sure that all of your cheese sticks are coated with a generous coating of breadcrumbs so that the cheese doesn't ooze out when you fry them. To fry our cheese sticks, we're going to heat some oil in a kadhai or a pot. Now put a small piece of your cheese stick into the oil, and you know that your oil is heated enough when you see that the cheese stick starts to sizzle. Perfect. Now take it out and put all of your cheese sticks into the oil. Make sure that you do not over fry them and you take them out when they're golden brown in color. In a plate covered with tissue paper, drain off the excess oil from your cheese sticks, and that's done. These fried cheese sticks can be served with any dip of your choice, but we have chosen the classic tomato ketchup. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe. It's the much awaited moment, guys. Now is the time to know how we made these cheesy sticks on a budget.
watching this video. This was one of the highly requested videos, so we had to do it.
If you have any other video suggestions, then do leave them in the comment section down below, and we both will try our level best to make that happen.
You can also check out our other videos by clicking the links right here. And you can also check out our Facebook and Instagram handles, the links to which are posted in the description box below. And that's it, you guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.